Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study with Prasad. If you are new to my channel, please check out my playlist as well. I have uploaded RRB and TPC question papers as well. So this is the 9th question paper out of 15. So without wasting your time, let's solve the RRB ALP question paper. Using this statement, we have to check whether the course of action is true or not. Despite the teacher's several warnings, a student was caught cheating in the exam. The student should be expelled from the exam and his paper should be cancelled. So this is a valid reason because he is cheating. The teacher should leave the students with another warning. So this is wrong because he has caught cheating. So only one is the answer. How much venture capital fund would be set up for space economy in India as announced by the finance minister in the annual financial statement for 2024 and 25? 1000 crore is the answer. An object is placed at a distance of 20 cm in front of a concave mirror, and its image is formed at a distance of 60 meter on the same side as the object. The magnification produced by the mirror will be, since it is a concave mirror, it will be in negative. So the distance is 60 divided by 20, that is 3. It is a concave mirror, so negative. So minus 3 is the answer. 1C charge contains 6 into 10 power 18 electrons. What sum will earn a simple interest of 480? So the formula is interest equal to principal. I don't know the principal, so I'm assuming it as P into rate of interest 16% into number of years. So 16 into 3, 48. So this will be 10 times. So P equal to 10 into 100. 1000 is the answer. IMOL is related to PTVS in a certain way. So I is 9, P is 16. So this will be plus 7. M is 13, T is 20. So this will be plus 7. O is 15, V is 22. So this will be plus 7. L is 12, S is 19. So this will be plus 7. So plus 7 plus 7 plus 7 is the logic. So with this logic, we have to find for K, O, Q, N. K is 11. So 11 plus 7, it will be 18. That is R. O is 15. So 15 plus 7, 22. 22 means V. Q plus 7. Q is 17. 17 plus 7, 24. 24 is X. N is 14. 14 plus 7, 21. 21 is U. So RVXU is the answer. A shopkeeper bought an article for 319.60 approximately. At what price should he sell the article to make 25% profit? If we check the options, it is rounded up to nearby numbers. So I am assuming the number as 320. So he should sell at 25% profit. Then it will be 125 divided by 100. 25 5s are 25 4s are. So 4 80 times. 80 into 5 400. So approximately 400 rupees should be the selling price. Refer to the following number and symbol series and answer the question that follows. Counting to be done from left to right only. How many such numbers are there, each of which is immediately preceded by a number and immediately followed by a symbol? So 3 is not right because there is no preceding number. Next 9. So 9 is not followed by a number or preceding by a number. So this is also wrong. Next 1. Immediately preceded by a symbol. So this is also wrong. So immediately preceded by a number and it is not immediately followed by a number. So this is wrong. Immediately preceded by a number and immediately followed by a symbol. So 6 is right. Next 8. So this is wrong because on either side this is symbols only. Same for this. Next 7. So either side symbol only. So this is wrong. Next 5. So there is no immediately succeeding number. So this is wrong. Only this is the option and 1 is the answer. We have to solve the question mark using the logic. So J, F, H, K, G, I, L, H, J, M, I, K. So plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. The same goes for this plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So the logic is plus 1, plus 1 plus 1. So M after next word N, I after next word J, K after next word L. So NGL is the answer. When a thick glass slab is placed over printing matter, they appear to be raised, and this is due to refraction of light. What is the mode of reproduction used in the methods such as layering of grafting to grow many plants like sugarcane, roses, grapes for agricultural purposes? Vegetative propagation. Sumit traveled 10 km 120 meter by scooter, 1 km 970 meter on foot, 15 km and 850 meter by bus. So total 9, this is 14, 19, 6, 7, so 2. 27 kilometer 940 meter. So this is the answer. We have to pick the odd one out. The given pairs are YD, WD. Y is 25, W is 23, so minus 2. Here D and here also D, so plus 0. L, N. L is 12, N is 14. Q, S. Q is 17, so that means plus 5. S is 19, so plus 5. So this is the pattern. Next TV, YA. T is 20, Y is 25, so plus 5. V is 22, A is 1, so plus 5. So the logic is plus 5 plus 5. So this is the odd one. So this is the answer. In 2024, what has been the main focus of the pavilions displayed at the Indian Art, Architecture and Design Biennale? Contemporary art and innovative designs. We have to check the odd one out. The pairs are LH, QM, KF, MH, QL, SN. So let us check the three pairs first. L is 12, Q is 17, so plus 5. H is 8, M is 13, so plus 5. K is 11, M is 13, so plus 2. F is 6, H is 8, so plus 2. Q is 17, S is 19, so plus 2. L is 12, N is 14, so plus 2. Here both are plus 2 and this is plus 5 only, so this is the odd one. When two parallel lines, so these are two parallel lines which are cut by transversal, so it is cut by transversal. Which of the following is true? Corresponding angles are equal, so that means so this angle and this angle, so these both will be corresponding angle, so both are equal, so this is correct. Alternative interior angles are supplementary, so these are the alternative interior angles, so these are not supplementary, so this is wrong. Consecutive angles on the same side of the transversal are equal, only corresponding angles are equal, so this is wrong. Alternative interior angles are equal. Suppose this is angle, so alternative interior angles means, so this is alpha, so this will be also alpha, so both are equal, so A and D are correct, B and C are wrong. A's salary is 20% less than B's salary, so A's salary is 20% less, so this is will be 80 and this will be 100. 24s are 25s are. By what percentage B salary more than A salary? So 5 minus 4, 1. Then A salary. So we have to divide it by A. So 1 by 4. 1 by 4 means 25 percentage. In a row of people all facing north, Bunty is 8th from the left. So that means to its left side, total 7 people are there. Sneha is 15th from the left hand. So this is 15th. So in between both, 6 members will be there. Sneha is exactly between Bunty and Nupur. If Nupur is 7th from the right, so this is 7th from the right. Then towards his right, 6 people will be there. 7th person will be him. So they have said that Sneha is exactly between Bunty and Nupur. If it is 6 gap here, then it will be also 6 gap here. So because it will be in center. Now we will check the total people. So 7 plus 6, here 6, and again here 6, plus total 3 persons. Bunty, Sneha, Nipur. So 7 plus 3, 10. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 10, 28. So this is the answer. 256 power 0.16, 256 power 0.09. So this can be written as a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So that means this will become 256 power 0.16 plus 0.09. So it will become 0.25. So 0.25 can be written as 1 by 4. So 256 means 16 square. 16 square means 4 power 4. So this is 4 power 4. 0.25 is 1 by 4. So 4 4 cancel. The answer will be 4. The article is marketed 50% above its cost price. So cost price is 100%. Then market is 150. The market price of the article is 1500. So this is 1500. We have to find the cost price. Simply this into 10 it will become market price. Then this into 10 it will become cost price. 1000 is the answer. Who among the following was appointed as Ministry of Health and Family Welfare in June 2024? Jagat Prakash Nadda. We have to count this from left to right only, as they have given. How many such numbers are there, each of which is immediately preceded by a number and immediately followed by a symbol? So we have to check the number. Immediately preceded by a number. So this is wrong. Immediately preceded by a number and followed by a symbol. So this is right. So this is wrong. This is wrong because two symbols only on both sides. Immediately preceded by a number. So this is wrong. Immediately preceded by a number and followed by a symbol. So this is right. Both are symbols only. Here both are symbols. Here both are symbols. So these two are the only available options. So 2 is the answer. Using this statement, we have to check whether the conclusion is true or not. No horse is mirrors. So this is horse. No horse is mirrors means, so there is no relationship between horse and mirror. Some lizards are horses. So this is lizards. So some lizards are horses. Some horses are not lizards. No, some horses are lizards. So this is wrong. Some lizards are not mirrors. Some lizards are not mirrors. So there is no relationship between them. So we can't say anything. But we can say that horses are not mirrors. So this part, so this is horses. So this will never become mirror. So some lizards are not mirrors. So this is wrong. Only conclusion 2 is the answer. The perimeter of one face of a cube is 48 centimeter. So perimeter of a cube 6a, that equal to 48. So 8 times. Then one side of a cube equal to 8. Volume. So volume formula a cube. A cube means 8 into 8 into 8. So the answer is 1728. If secant 4a equal to cosecant 3a minus 50 degree. So we can write secant 4a as cosecant 90 minus theta. So here theta is 4a. So this is equal to same cosecant 3a minus 50 degree. So since both are equal and both are cosecant, 90 minus 4a equal to 3a minus 50 degree. So 4a will go to the right side and 50 will come to the left side. 90 plus 50, 140. 3 plus 4, 7. So 7a. So a equal to 20 degree. We have to find the value of cosecant a plus 25 degree. Then cosecant a is 20 degree plus 25. So it will become cosecant 45 degree. So cosecant 45 degree is root 2. What type of reactions takes place when calcium oxide reacts vigorously with water to produce slaked lime? Combination reaction. According to 2024-25 Indian Union budget, the government has allocated increasing funding towards schemes like Sambal from 462 crores in the previous fiscal year to 629 crore. By using this statement, we have to check whether the conclusions are true or false. Some snakes are lizards. All roosters are lizards. All lizards are roosters. So all lizards are roosters. So this is wrong. All roosters are lizards. No roosters are snakes. So they haven't given any relationship between roosters and snake. We cannot say no roosters are snakes. So neither is the answer. 2400 is distributed between A and B in the ratio 7 to 5. So A ratio is 7. Out of total 7 plus 5, 12. So 200. 200 into 7, 1400. 1400 is A share. Which of the following is an example of heterogeneous mixture? Oil dissolved in water. Which gas is passed through calcium hydroxide to form calcium carbonate and water? Carbon dioxide gas. How many electrons does carbon typically share when bonding with another carbon atom or with atoms of other elements? 4. In a certain code language, solve is coded as 36598. Store is coded as 39164. Whole is coded as 27689. So SS common, 33 common, OO common, 66 common, EE common, 99 common. So there are no common here. So here LV. So L is common, 5 8 is remaining. So there is no 5 here. So that means L will be 8. So remaining is V. So V will be 5. Anita starts from her house at point A and walks 5 meter towards south. She takes a right turn, walks 7 meter, takes another right and walks 12 meter. At point P, if a pole is placed 7 meter towards east from where she stopped, so pole 7 meter, the same distance. So this is 12 and this is 5. So this is 5, point A. Then the remaining distance here will be 7 meter. And in which direction will her house be from the pole? So this is the house A and this is pole. Towards the south 7 meter. This is the answer. Justify the given statement. Plants have low energy needs. Energy needs differ between different body regions. Plants do not move, have a large proportion of dead cells in many tissues. So this is the, we have to solve the question mark using the same logic. We will take last two, RTV, QSU. So this is minus 1. T, so this is also minus 1. And this is also minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 is the logic. Q minus 1, P. S minus 1, R. U minus 1, T. So PRT is the answer. CKQR is related to FITP. So we will find the logic. C3, F6, so plus 3. K11, I9, so minus 2. Q is 17, T is 20, so plus 3. R is 18, P is 16, so minus 2. So plus 3 minus 2, plus 3 minus 2 is the logic. Now we have to find BOLJ. So BOLJ. This will be plus 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. B plus 3. So that means 2 plus 3. That is E. O minus 2. 15 minus 2, 13. M. L plus 3. L 12 plus 3, 15. So O. J is 10. 10 minus 2. H. EMOH is the answer. Which among the following is the author of the book I Have the Streets, a Kutti Cricket Story? Ravichandran Ashwin. 55. C. C stands for plus. D stands for minus. A stands for divided by. B stands for into. 54 divided by 9. So it will become 6. 55 plus 7. So it will become 62. 62 minus 6 into 8. It will become 48. So 14 is the answer. What is the primary purpose of the Athara 24 Fine Arts Exhibition and Competition? To discover and nurture emerging artistic talents. In a certain code language, girl is coded as 1539. ROSE, Rose is coded as 6825. So in these both things, only R is common. So in the numbers, 5 is common. So that means R equal to 5. Which gland secretes adrenaline? Adrenaline gland. The average of 10 observations is 46. So 10 into 46, total 460. It was realized later that an observation was misread as 42 in place of 142. So it was misread means they have included 42. So reduce it and add 142. So the difference here is plus 100. So 460 plus 100, 560. So new average is 560 divided by total observations 10. So divided by 10. 0, 0 cancel. 56 is the new average. 6 men and 8 boys can do a piece of work in 10 days, while 26 men and 48 boys can do the same work in 2 days. So 2 5s are 5 into 6 30, 5 into 8 40. So 26m plus 48b. 30m minus 26m. So 4m equal to 48 minus 40. So that is 8 boys. 2 times. So men is to boys equal to 2 divided by 1. We will substitute these values in this. So 6 into 2 plus 8 into 1 into total 10. 6 into 2 12 plus 8. So this will be 20. 20 into 10, total work is 200. Then the time taken by 20 men. So 20 men means 20 into 2. So this is 10 times, 5 times. So it will take 5 days. So 20 men take 5 days to complete the work. A, B, C, D and E and F. So total 6 members. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 members are sitting in a round circular table facing the center. A sits second to the right of E. If this is E, second to the right means here. So this is A. F is the immediate neighbor of D and E. So that means F should be in between D and E. If I write F here, then here E is not possible. So that means I have to write F here, then D will be here. C sits second to the left of B. So B sits here, second to the left C. So C will be here. What is the position of F with respect to C? So C sits here, one left and two left. Second to the left will be F. So this is the answer. Which of the following statements regarding an atom is correct? Atoms as a whole are electrically neutral. A cubic wooden block size of 2 meter is lying on the tabletop. If the mass of the wooden block is 10 kg, then the pressure existed by the wooden block on the tabletop is. So here the formula is pressure equal to F divided by A. We know F equal to mg. So mg divided by A. So they have given that the wooden block is 2 meter. So m is 10 kg mass. G is 10. So into 10. So here A means area. So this is a cubic wooden block. So the formula for cube is A square. That means 2 into 2. So they have given side 2 meter. So 2 5s are 2 5s are 5 into 5 25. So 25 n m power minus 2. This is the answer. A 3-digit number is such that units digit, tens digit, hundreds digit are in the ratio 1 is to 2 is to 3. The sum of this number and the number obtained by writing its digits in reverse order is 1332. So let us check. So this is in 1 is to 2 is to 3. 1 is to 2 is to 3. So this is 3 is to 2 is to 1. And this is, so these two are equal. So this will be wrong. So 100th is 9. Unit digit is 3. 10th digit is 6. So this is unit 10, 100. So 1 is to 2 is to 3. So this is the answer. So let us check the remaining as well. 963 plus reverse 369. 12, 13. This is 13. So it is 1332. Both satisfied. This is the answer. Which of the following teams was the winner of 10th season of Pro Kabaddi League? Puneri Paltan. Which of the following is the unit of acceleration? M by S square. 7 people A, B, C, D, E, F, G sitting in a row facing north. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 2 people sit to the right of C. So that means C will sit here, 2 people will sit to the right of C. Only 2 people sit between D and C. So here D is not possible. So D will be here. A sits to the immediate right of D. So A will be right of D. E sits to the immediate left of G. So this is G, then it will be E. So in these two places it is not possible. So E will be here and G will be here. B sits second to the left of A. So this is D. So remaining place is F. F will be here. How many people sit between B and F? So this is B, this is F. D, A sit between them. So 2 people. 5118 is divisible by. So simply use divisibility rules for 6. Divisibility rule 2 and 3 should be followed. So this is even number. So 2 is followed. So 3 will be total sum. It should be divided by 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 8, 15. So 15 divided by 3. This is divided by 3. So this is also followed. So rule 2, rule 3 followed. So 6 is the answer. The average of first 12 multiples of 11. So 11, 22 and so on to 12th multiple of 11. So we take 11 as common. It will become 11 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on to 12 digits. So we have to find the average of first 12. So that means divided by 12. So sum of first 12 natural numbers. Formula n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n is 12. So 12 into 12 plus 1, 13 divided by 2. So that means 6 into 13, 78. So this is 11 into. So we have found this number which is 78. So 78 divided by 12. 6 times 72, balance 6. That means 0.5. So 11 into 6.5. So it will be 65, 65, total 715. Point after one value. So point after one value. 71.5 is the answer. What happens when we increase the temperature of solids? The kinetic energy of the particles will increase. The pattern of magnetic field lines produced by a current carrying conductor depends on the shape of the conductor. Dash has been awarded the title of India's fastest growing sustainable brand for 2023 to 2024. Gruner Renewable Energy. If the radius of a sphere increased by 50%, find the percentage increase in the surface area. So surface area formula 4 pi r square. So radius of a sphere, old one is r1. So if it is 100, it is increased by 50%. Then mu will be 150. So 52 times 53 times. So that means if R1 equal to 2, R2 will be 3. We have to find the increase in surface area. So this is R2 and this will be R1. 4 pi cancelled. R2 square means 3 square. So 3 square divided by 2 square. That will be 9 divided by 4. How much it has increased? That means 9 minus 4 based on the old one. So that is R1. So here 4. That is 5 by 4 it has increased. 5 by 4 means 125 percentage. Under the NPS Vatsalya scheme, subsequent contribution of what minimum amount is required per annum with no maximum limit? 1000. In 2024, the Royal Australian Air Force debuted its combat airport in India during exercise Tarang Shakti at which location? Air Force Station, Jodhpur. Where does the following reaction take place in a cell? The breakdown of glucose, a 6 carbon molecule, into a 3 carbon molecule in the cytoplasm. X is related to 523. In the same way, 9 is related to Y. So let us check the options. So this is 9 and here it is X. So we know only 9. I am going with the 9. So total 6 plus 9, 15. So this is not divisible by 9. So total 7. This is not divisible by 9. Here total 16. This is also not divisible by 9. So this is the only number which is divisible by 9. So this is nearby 6 cube. And here it is 11. And this number is nearby 8 cube. So let us check it. If x is 11, then it is nearby 8 cube. 8 cube means 512. The balance number is 11. And this is also 11. So plus 11. Then here the number will be 9 is to minus 3. That means 6 cube plus this number. 216 plus 9. 225. So the same logic is applied. So this is the logic. How is m related to t? M minus n. Minus means brother. N divided by p. Divided means father. So n is the father of p. P plus s. Plus means mother. So mother of s. S into t. Into means wife. So s is the wife of t. How is m related to t? So t is wife's, mother's, father's brother. So this is the answer. What is the product of x plus a, x plus b? So both are here positive only. If we check the options, here it is negative. So this is wrong. Here it is negative. This is wrong. Here these are negative. So this is wrong. There is no negative here. So it will be fully positive. Then this is the answer. So I will do this. X into x, x square. X into b, xb. A into x, ax. A into b, ab. X square plus x common. A plus b plus ab. So this is the answer. 14, 15, 18, 23, 30. So the difference is 1. The difference is 3. The difference is 5. The difference is 7. So these are the odd numbers. So the next odd number will be 9. 30 plus 9, 39. So 39 is the answer. A train traveling at a speed of 45 km per hour crosses a pole in 24 seconds. So this is in seconds, this is in kilometer per hour. We will change it into meter per second. 9 2s are 9 5s are. So it will be 25 divided by 2 meter per second. So this is speed. They have given time 24 seconds. We have to find the length of the train. Length of the train means distance. So distance equal to speed into time. So 25 into 12. 25 into 12, 300 meter is the answer. X is related to 711. In the same way, 146 is related to Y. So if we check the options, these are in 200s and these are in 350 plus to 450. So that means it is nearby into 3 times. So I am going with the second option. So 252 into 3, it will be 6. 515. So 6 it will be 756. The difference is 45. So 393. 146 into 3, it will become 3 6 are 18. 12 plus 1 13. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. So the difference here is also 45. So the logic is into 3 and the difference will be 45. So this is the answer. What is used to make drinking water free from germs? Bleaching powder. Which of the following controls bladder pressure? Nervous system. We have to read this only from left to right. How many such numbers are there, each of which is immediately preceded by a symbol? Suppose it is 0, then symbol should be before it. So suppose this is the symbol, and also immediately followed by a symbol. So this side also one symbol should be there. So number both sides should be symbol. So this is eliminated, this is eliminated. So this is correct because both sides symbol. Eliminated, eliminated, eliminated. So this is also eliminated. The monthly income of a person is 13,500 and his monthly expenditure is 9,000. So minus 9,000 it will become 4,500. So which is savings. So this is income, this is expenditure. Approximately what percentage of his monthly income does he save? So in percentage means 4,500 divided by 13,500. So this is 3 times, which is 1 by 3. 1 by 3 means 33.33% is the answer. So using this bar graph, we have to answer the question. Average export of the year 2016, so that is 20, and 2018, that is 40. So average means 20 plus 40 divided by 2. 60 divided by 2, 30 is the answer. Identify one example of change taking place at puberty that can signify sexual maturation. New hair growth patterns. The sum of the ages of mother, son, and daughter. So M plus S plus D equal to 70. If mother is thrice as old as her son, so M equal to 3S, and the daughter is 5 years older than her brother, so D equal to 5 plus S. How old is her mother? So substitute M equal to 3S. So 3S plus S. D equal to 5 plus S. So 5 plus S, that equal to 70. So total 5S. Here 5. So if it goes to the other side, it will become minus. So 70 minus 5, 65. So equal to 65. That is 13. So son age is 13. Then daughter age is equal to 5 plus 13. That is 18. We have to find the mother age. So mother age is 3 into son age. Son age is 13. So 3 into S. That means 3 into 13, which is 39. A body of mass m is taken from the ground to a height h. The gravitational potential energy of the body will be accelerated due to gravity is g. So the formula is mgh. 10b. B means minus. D means divided by. So divided by 9. A means plus. So plus 4. C means into. So into 3. 3 times. So 10 minus 3 plus 3 into 4, 12. 10 minus 3, 7. 7 plus 12, 19.